A powerful explosion sends massive flames shooting into the air overnight outside of Los Angeles. The inferno erupting at the largest oil refinery on the West Coast. The alarming scene of fire and smoke visible from miles away. Officials are now looking into what triggered the blast and what it could mean for fuel prices. Here's ABC's Trevor Ault.
Tonight, the West Coast's largest oil production site up in flames. Ring camera video capturing the fireball as part of this Chevron refinery in Los Angeles erupted Thursday night.
We have heavy flames showing from the refinery.
People rushing to evacuate as fire filled the sky. Other neighbors urged to shelter in place, thinking they'd heard an earthquake or a plane crash. One worker describing a violent blast.
I hear like a big whoosh. Next thing I know, bro, I see like everything in front of me just light up.
Chevron says the fire sparked in a processing unit on one corner of the 1.5 square mile refinery. This afternoon, the fire finally was extinguished after burning for 16 hours.
About a sixth of California's gasoline for Southern California comes out of there. I suspect that's likely a lot of what ignited.
Experts say so much gas is produced in this facility, the fire could impact fuel prices in the region.
Prices across the West Coast may only increase 5 to 15 cents. This particular refinery provides up to 40% of the jet fuel for Southern California. So that may be a bigger issue.
This is not the first fire at this refinery. There's been at least 4 of them in the past decade. Thankfully, Chevron says overnight there were no injuries in this incident.
And that is some good news. Trevor, thank you.